Good morning, everyone. I'm Gurpyar, and I work with Google Cloud's clients, helping them achieve true digital transformation. We help our clients get the best out of cloud technologies through migrating and modernizing on Google Cloud. Enterprises have some common questions they ask us. Am I ready for a migration journey? What after migration? Are we fully extracting the cloud's value to drive measurable business outcomes? Or will I get stuck in the lift and shift rat hole? Today, I'll focus on how Google Cloud helps you not only migrate, but also turn cloud into a strategic asset. So let's look at the problem statement. Migrations are tough. Are migrations really tough? Does a lift and shift migration truly deliver the innovation you strive for? The opportunity is to leverage the cloud to truly supercharge your business. Being in the cloud is not the same as being cloud native. Google Cloud can help you migrate to cloud and then modernize in a way that helps you use the power of AI and data in the most efficient manner. Migrations, if done right, can be the tool for your next wave of innovation. Let's look at the answer. Google Cloud's migration capabilities. Google Cloud offers a complete migration factory consisting of people, processes, and tools to accelerate and de-risk your cloud migrations. With over 300 plus migrations in India just in year 2024 across a variety of industries, we have a credible track record. Not only that, post-migration, our team of specialists will help you modernize to cloud-native services, enabling you to get the most out of your cloud investment. At Google Cloud, we take a holistic approach to migrations. We understand that cultural changes and governance are as important as technology. That's why we focus equally on upskilling your resources, FinOps practice, and cost control, as well as sharing Google's world-renowned best practices like SRE, site reliability engineering, as well as our technological expertise. So how does Google Cloud make migrations easier and better? One word, planning. Like the famous adage goes, failing to plan is planning to fail. With our years of expertise of running internet scale infrastructure and helping our clients do the same, we know a thing or two about planning a migration. We have a well-defined migration framework that covers all aspects of migrations, from start to end. We plan in waves and de-risk everything through templatizing, automation, and removing human error. This combined with state-of-the-art tooling and a robust partner ecosystem, we ensure fast, error-free migration with zero downtime. We drive all of this for you while you focus on growing your business. Let's look at real-world successes in India and the business value we delivered. At a recent large migration, we completed successfully for India's leading logistics service provider offering on-demand goods transportation solutions. The customer was rapidly expanding and were looking for a highly scalable cloud infrastructure that can support global expansion and provides best price to performance ratio. They also had legacy applications that were built over 10 years that needed modernization. Now this is where Google Cloud migration team took over and working closely with our partners, PSO, and the customer teams, delivered the migration with zero downtime. We also modernized their workloads and delivered significant cost advantages while helping achieve high levels of performance across geos. All this was done in a short period of time and getting the customer ready for the very busy festival season. So what should be your call to action? Google Cloud offers more than technology. We offer a partnership. Our Google Cloud migration experts and partners will work with you every step of the way. The future is data-driven and AI-powered. Are you ready? Excited to build what's next for your business? Think Google Cloud.